Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Get ready for the weekend. We have another unboxing to do from Amazon. This is Wisdom Music Lamp. Coming from... What is this coming from? PWPAM Solar Torchlight. Oh, baby. This is a torchlight with a solar and speakers, Bluetooth. So really cool if you're having your camp outside in the backyard or your backyard parties. This would be a perfect one to get. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out. This is a one pack. I do believe they have others, so take a few minutes and see what other goodies they have to offer. I do believe this is waterproof. Let's see if I can see it. Internal speaker. Boom, 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 boom. Huh. I'll find out once I open it. Protect your eyes. Eco-friendly. Oh, yes. You can use a TF card slot, USB charge. Okay, that's easy. We'll definitely test it out. It is cold outside, but I will go outside and show you guys how this looks. So really cool. We got the USB charge right off the bat. We got a stick. And we got a... Whoa, it's already... Look at that. Oh, because it was in... Look at that. Boom, because it was solar. Darkness. It's ready to rock and roll. Alright. Keep it right there. Really cool. Should be an easy one to set up then. I think that's it in the box. Got the manual. Should be easy though. I got my iPhone that I'll be showing you guys how to set up the Bluetooth. Do a little demo on the music, you know. Keep on rocking for the weekend. It is here, so definitely add this to your cart. I do believe this will probably be still in time to get it for Christmas if you guys want it. But really cool for the summertime. Barbecue parties, 4th of July at the beach. See? Look at that. Boom. There's that. So this must be where... I think if I have it hanging like that. Get 2 of them. Well, we'll do the tiki torch setup. I'll show you that one. I like tiki torches. That's why I call these things wooden music lamps. So look at that. That is kind of nifty. Definitely could hear how it sounds. As soon as this, come on, there we go. Bada boom. So this one goes on the ground because of the stake. Avi. Yo, so stick it right in there. Should be easy peasy. Then we stick this right in. No, we don't. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, we are set, ready to rock and roll. We're going to do the lamp and setup right now. Give me 1 second. Show you a few things on this thing. Alright, right here. Back here. TF. USB. If you're using it, do not charge it. Just wait until you're done using it and charge it. But the solar should be good. Depends on if it's outside, sunny days and stuff. If you want to boost, right there is a TF for the memory. Just pop it in. IP65 is the waterproof rating. So we got a trusty old cell phone right now. Got the iPhone. We got the power. It's on and off. All different modes. Brightness. Whoa, different color. Oh, that's pretty cool. Like I said, we'll go outside. I'll show you guys how it looks. Where is the Bluetooth? That is next. So, I had to read. Okay, let's see what I have available for my Bluetooth. Okay, let's see. Settings. Okay, it's gonna search right now for it. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, there you go. So you hold that for a few seconds. And then iPhone is searching. It's popping up in a second. Oh, there we go. There it is. It's KX-I68. Or, yeah. KX-168. Alright.
Bluetooth is connected successfully.
See? Easy peasy. And then let's jam it out. We're going to hear... Oops. Some unlicensed music. Uh-oh. We'll see how this sounds. Sounds pretty clear. Oh, okay. If you want the lights on, you can still have it as a speaker. It's pretty good for an outdoor speaker.
I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us.
I'm gonna turn this light off and then grab my coat. We'll go outside, freeze a little bit. Hold on one sec. I think it needs to be charged, that's why it's beeping. Really cool. Whoa. I think I have like a normal light. Yeah, it needs to be charged, that's why it's beeping. Alright, we're going outside. I'll be right back. I gotta get my coat on. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is outside. We are freezing out. It is cold. So we are in the backyard right now. stuff. So definitely check them out, guys. I have the link down below. You can get one of these solar LED lamps. Got the flames going. This needs to be charged, so check them out. Really cool. And you can have it in the ground too. So hold on one second, I'll show you. Hold on, I'm gonna go move it really quick. There we go. That's what they look like. I don't know if I'm gonna get good lighting. But I got the stick right there. It's shoved down on the ground, kind of like there, all the way up. So really cool stuff, guys, coming from them. And all you gotta do is follow the light, click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, and get this shipped to you in no time. So you guys have a good weekend, be safe, and see you soon.